gorgeous people. This is Amber's Arts DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you friend mail. Guys, you know how much I love friend mail. It is so fun to send, and it's really fun to receive things in the mail. It's just nice to know that someone is thinking about you. It just makes you feel really good. Today's friend mail is from Pat from Blessed GMP. Also, Laura. Her channel is Laura the Bargain Hunter. And Johana Masonette. She just changed the name of her channel, and forgive me, I don't remember what it is. I think it's JM Unboxings or something like that. But she also sent me a nice little box of goodies. So without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay, guys, so we'll go ahead and start with the cards first. I have a card from Pat from Blessed GMP. It just has our P.O. boxes on it, so I can go ahead and show you the front of it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what Miss Pat sent to me. She does handmade cards, so I sure hope she made this one. Let's get it opened here. Oh, she did. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. It says, celebrate and go shopping. Oh, Pat, you know me too well. Probably shop too much, don't I? Just saying. Look how beautiful this is, guys. It has the Eiffel Tower. It has these nice, what do you call those? Like leaves with the vines, then the little purse. That is so cute. Pat is so super talented. I absolutely love her cards. I love getting handmade things. Always. It says, Amber, celebrate you and go shopping. Thank you for the wonderful Easter goodies. I so love getting to know you through your videos. Aw, Pat, also known as Blessed GMP. How sweet. Well, thank you, Pat. I absolutely love getting to know you through your videos, and I just love your cards, Pat. You are really talented. I love crafty things. I don't care what it is, honestly. I mean, my son did some drawings for me, and I think they look amazing. Somebody else might look at that and be like, that's just a bunch of scribble. No, I think he's an artist. Okay? All right, we're going to go ahead and jump into the next part of my friend mail, which is a card from Laura the Bargain Hunter. So look, guys, it says friend mail. She's got some nice little stickers on there, and she says, yay! That is so super fun, guys. Let's open this up and see what Miss Laura sent to me. Awesome. You're so thoughtful. Oh, this is a beautiful card. Look at that, guys. So nice. I love the paisley. That is pretty. Okay, it says, thank you for your goodness and generosity. Thank you so much for the Easter friend mail. Love, Laura. Oh, very good. And then she's got some stickers on there. That is so sweet. Laura, you are so very welcome. And then she has she took a play out of my book and typed something up. My handwriting is terrible, guys. I wouldn't want to force you to try to read it because sometimes I can't read it. It says, Amber, thank you so much for including me in your Easter friend mail. I am so flattered that you thought of me. I really loved everything you sent, and it was so fun to open. I wanted to send you something as a thank you, but I couldn't think of any stuff to send. So instead, I made a donation to Autism Speaks in honor of you and Noah. Oh, Laura, you are a wonderful person and a warrior mom. Also, I'm going to try to make some bows with Ricky. Wish us luck, LOL. Much love to you and Noah, your friend Laura the Bargain Hunter. Oh, Laura, thank you so much. That's so sweet. Oh, she made a $25 donation to Autism Speaks. How sweet. Oh, thank you, Laura. Oh, that is that is just such a great gift. Thank you so much. That is so sweet. Oh, I want to see the bows, Laura. I can't wait to see the bows. That is so exciting. That makes me so happy that you guys are going to start making some bows. Her husband is a very talented painter. He likes to paint things, and he is super talented. I love all the stuff that she's sent to people that I saw on videos, and some things that she may have shown in her videos. So, oh, Laura, thank you so much. That really, got me teared up, but I managed to hold him back. But I really, that is perfect. That is so super sweet. I thank you so very much for doing that. Autism is a very, how do I want to put this? It's a very misunderstood disorder, and I'm just hoping that my videos are helping bring some light to that, even though I'm not an expert in that field. I am just a mom sharing with you my experiences with my son, and as I learn things, I like to share those things with you guys as well. So Laura, if you guys haven't checked out Laura, she is so sweet. I mean, she is just so sweet. She's one of those people that you just want to go hang around all the time. She is so incredibly sweet. I love watching her videos, and I think that you guys will too. So I will definitely link Miss Laura and Pat in the description box below, as well as Johana. Let's not forget about Johana. She sent me, it's a box. I'm sure it's a lovely box of goodies in here. I'm super excited. She did mention to me she wanted to send me something, but I actually had forgotten about it. So when I went to pick up some other boxes today, oh, how beautiful. Look, it's like a suitcase, guys. Look at that. Ah! So cute. This lovely box was in my P.O. box as well. Look at this, guys. It's like a little suitcase. How cute is that? This is beautiful. Dude, I can totally reuse this for so many things. That is the coolest thing ever. Awesome. Let's open it up because there's some goodies in here. Oh, look at this, guys. She's got it all packaged up really nice. So there is a card. Let's check it out. Oh, on the back it says thank you. So that's nice. Let's check it out. What did I do? What did I do? Here's the thank you on the front. That is cool. Like one of those conversation bubbles. It says, oh, wow. Awesome handwriting. Wow. Hi, Amber. I wanted to take the time to thank you. This collaboration means so much to me, and I'm so grateful. Be safe, Johana. It was really a great experience collab with you. We are not alone, I'm sure she meant, in this journey. Oh, that is awesome. And it's blue because I did the autism awareness collab with her. So, and that was such a great idea, Johana. It really was, because I know a lot of people got a lot of valuable information from all of our videos. So I really appreciate you putting this together. And I hope that you do this every single year. If you do, I'm in. I'm just saying. I'm definitely in. Okay, let's see what else she said. Oh, it's got the beautiful, let me see if I can get this for you guys. The butterfly right there. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, we're keeping the butterfly. You guys know I will reuse that for something. Oh, wow. Wow. It is a Catherine Malandrino. I probably pronounced it wrong, guys. But it's moisturizing hand cream. And there's 3 of them in here. Look at this, guys. Wow. That's awesome. Oh, Johana, you didn't have to send me anything. That is awesome. And I'm always trying to moisturize my hands, and I don't do a good job with it, guys. But that's going to definitely help. Then we have a Pacifica Seafoam Complete Face Wash. Remove makeup, cleanse, and tone. Oh, that's awesome. Yes. Oh, it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Let me show it to you guys. Yes, yes, yes. I will definitely be using this for sure. It's sealed, so I can't get a good smell on it, but I'm sure it smells lovely. Thank you so much. That is awesome. Perfect, perfect. And then we have some other things on the bottom here. We have a hydrating rose and a vitamin E cheek mask. A cheek mask just for my cheeks. Guys, I've never tried a cheek mask before, but I'm totally down. I will definitely give it a go. That's cool. Okay, then we have a retinol infused essence mask. So that's cool. Definitely use that. It's the Cream Shop. Awesome. Wow, Johana. This is so cool. For sure, for sure. And then we have metallic nudes. Oh, yes. It's a Bebe lip gloss. Showing that to you guys. Look at that one. Oh yeah, can we open this? I'm just saying. I have stuff on, but I'm curious. It's got that kind of an applicator. What do you call that? A doe foot? That's cool. Yeah, I'll definitely be wearing that. That's for sure, guys. Awesome. And then there's something mysterious in here. So let's open it up. Oh, so cool. What is this? A Dana Skin. And it is a, what do you call these guys? A visor? Yes. So that's cool. Like when you put your hair in a ponytail, these look so cute, guys. Like I'll just put my hair in a ponytail and put this on. That'll be adorable. Look at that. And it's got the flowers around it. How cute is that? There's the brand of it. Wow. That's pretty cool, huh? Thank you, Johana. You didn't have to send me anything at all. I enjoyed doing the collab. I appreciated the fact that you put the collab together because, of course, this is something that is near and dear to my heart. Her son is also on the autism spectrum, and that is what prompted her to put this collab together to help bring awareness to autism, to help educate people about what it is. And I'm so, so grateful that actually it was Mary from Mary Catherine Loves Cats who suggested I be in the collab as well because they did not realize that my son was also on the autism spectrum. So Mary let them know that and they let me join. So I was so happy. But again, Johana, if you do this yearly, every year, I'm in. Okay, just email me. I'm in. But all right, guys, if you guys have not checked out any of these lovely, lovely ladies' channels, Pat from Blessed GMP, Laura the Bargain Hunter, and Johana Masonette, who is now JM's Unboxings, I believe is the name of her channel. I will have them all linked in the description box below. Please make sure you check out all of these lovely ladies. I love watching their videos. They are so, so super sweet, and I'm sure that you'll love them as much as I do. Thank you to all three of these ladies for sending me some awesome friend mail. That's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one.